So, you're a Lebowski, I'm a Lebowski, that's terrific. But I'm very busy, as I imagine you are. What can I do for you, sir?
Well, sir, see, it's this rug I had. It really tied the room together.
You told Brant on the phone, he told me. I know what happened. Where do I fit in?
They're looking for you, these two guys.
I'll say it again. You told Brant on the phone, he told me. I know what happened. Yes, yes.
So, you know they were trying to piss on your rug.
Did I urinate on your rug?
You mean, did you personally come and pee on my rug?
You speak English, son? Parlez-vous inglés? I asked you again, did I urinate on your rug?
No, as I said, peed on my rug.
I'm just trying to understand this. Every time a rug is micturated upon in this fair city, I'm supposed to compensate the person?
Hey, come on, man. I'm not trying to scam anybody here. You know, I'm just,
You're just looking for a handout like every other Are you employed, Mr. Lebowski?
No, wait. Let me explain something to you. I am not Mr. Lebowski. You're Mr. Lebowski. I'm the dude. So that's what you call me, you know? That or his dudeness or duder or, you know, El Duderino if you're not into the whole brevity thing.
Are you employed, sir?
Employed?
You don't go out looking for a job like that, do you? On a weekday?
Is this what day is this?
I do work, sir, so if you don't mind.
No, I do mind. The dude minds. This will not stand, you know? This aggression will not stand, man. I mean, your wife goes out...
My wife is not the issue here. Someday, my wife will learn to live on her allowance, which is ample. But until that time, that is her problem. Not mine, just as the rug is your problem. Just as every bum's lot in life is his own responsibility, regardless of who he chooses to blame. I didn't blame anyone for the loss of my legs. Some Chinaman took them from me in Korea. I went out and achieved anyway. Haha. Cannot solve your problems for you, sir. Only you can.
Fuck it.
Ah, fuck it. That's your answer. That's your answer for everything. Tattoo it on your forehead. Your revolution is over, Mr. Lebowski. Condolences. The bomb's lost. My advice to you is to do what your parents did. Get a job, sir. You hear me, Lebowski? The bombs will always lose. The bombs will always lose.
But okay. Don't make me to take any rock now.
Well, enjoy. And perhaps we'll see you again sometime soon.
Yeah, you know, find the neighborhood and, John.
Blow on them.
Huh?
Go ahead. Blow.
You want me to blow on your, stove?
Uh-huh. I can't blow that far.
You sure he won't mind?
Uli doesn't care about anything. He's a nihilist.
That must be exhausting.
You're not blowing.
Our guest has to be getting along, Mrs. Lebowski.
Your body.
I'll suck your cock for $1,000.
We're all very fond of her fantasy spirit.
Maria can't watch, though. Or I used to pay $100.
That's part of it.
Go find the gas machine.